folks. How you doing? Oh, okay. I'm back. Welcome. Welcome to Mail Call Day. A little confusing today, but it's all good. In this here cup, I just had one magnificent vanilla latte. My last sip. Good stuff. At least they think it is. So, my good friends, let's mellow out and just chill. Because I got a couple of packages that I'm going to show you, but not all the way because I'll fill you in later. So, you got all these amazing reviewers doing all these amazing reviews on all these amazing fountain pens. Amazing. We use the letter A. Amazing, amazing, amazing. So let's open this amazing package and see if it's in it. And I hope you guys have had an amazing day. Remember this amazing fountain pen? Keep that thought in your amazing brain. And see this amazing black box? Keep that in your amazing brain. Now, this comes from a couple of cool places. And you're going to find out about this very, very soon this week. First of all, I'll give you kind of a heads up from where. And also from the person behind the scene. A special thank you to both of these gentlemen. Frank, he's the guy who sells you these amazing fountain pens. And a special thank you to Aaron from Magna Carta for sending these pens for review. I cannot stress to you how really awesome these pens are. And we'll get into that this week. That's an amazing promise. Because, you know, I just can't say enough about how amazing these pens are. Truly. And with the new ebonite feed that he has in them, good gravy. That's amazing. Well, that's number one. So let's set these aside and go to number two. Another amazing package. So again, thank you from Frank from Federalist Pens and Paper. And thank you from Aaron from making the pen possible for me. Those are some amazing people, right? So let's open this package here. Here is a cool, amazing box. Now, a special thank you to Lena from Pen Boutique for sending me what's in this box for a review. I bet you're waiting for me to open this box to show you what's inside, right? Not going to happen yet. Because what's in this box is amazing. Thank you, Lena. Thank you and thank you. This is going to be a lot of fun, an amazing fun review. I hope you guys really stick with me on these 2 upcoming reviews. They're truly going to be amazing because, first of all, I believe what's in these packages. I really do love what's in these packages. If you keep up with my channel, you know how I talk about the Magna Carta fountain pen. And I've showed you the ebonite feed in the Magna Carta with the plastic feed. And we're going to talk about those feeds in the fountain pens more in depth, because I really want to get that message across to each and every one of you. Agree or disagree, like or dislike, that's a matter of opinion. That's entirely up to you. I am just going to deliver, like I always do, an honest, sincere opinion. But remember, just because I say these pens are amazing, you may have a different opinion. For whatever reason, you may not like them. I am going to try to show you why they're amazing and hopefully walk you through that. And what's in this box too. Very important, because if you keep up my channel, you know how I feel about certain pens. And what's in this box is amazing. To me it is. I've seen many reviews with likes and dislikes, thumbs up and thumbs down. You know, let's talk about change for a little bit. Now, I'm a hard guy to deal with that. I have to be honest. I'm not much into change. You know, if it's not broken, I say, leave it alone. Let it go. If it is broken, fix it. So, what these people have done in this amazing box, they have recreated, revised, given this pen in this box a rebirth. So, Lena was kind enough and understanding, and she was on the same page as myself about what's in this box. And I am going to review it honestly, openly, to the best I can to help the ones that are unsure of this pen, to help them get over that hurdle. Now, for those that have already seen that have criticized, and that's cool, that's your opinion, and I respect that. For the people that are in the pen world that watch reviews, they may have already decided in their amazing brain cells that this pen is not for them because it's not amazing anymore. Because of change. Well, hopefully I can get across my opinions, and hopefully you'll understand what's in my heart and in my head about what's in this box. So, that's why I'm taking this real slow. But, again, thank you to Lena from Pen Boutique. Thank you from Frank from Federalist Pens and Paper, and from Aaron from Magna Carta Fountain Pens. Right? That's all I'm going to say for now. Be ready and waiting for the upcoming review. Take care peace, love, follow the rules. The shots are being distributed, but please continue to wear the mask, follow the rules, and as always, my friend, don't text and drive. Save someone else's life and your life. Bye-bye.